rhymes that came out my own goddamn mind. I bust you consigned for the lyric. Came through here with some goddamn hip-hop spirit. But see it, I'll hear it. I get fish cause they always want to hear it. Oh, pussy, 1, 2, 3. Climbing the body, chimpanzee. Can't even go out, do it free. Swim from tree to tree. Easy money, easy go. Get that shit, take the block, say yo. Eno, Mino, and say oh go. Let them play some goddamn Uno. Here we go now, freestyle style now. You don't even know how we roll. When we're out in here on the stroke. Yeah.
Yo, in the house like yo. Bro, Beach Waters.
I'm a come down, I'm a fucking bum cheese. This guy's dropping out motherfucking monkeys. I'm gonna go back 'cause I'm getting at the zoo, but I can't push down, so I'm gonna push through. Break the walls, break them down with my sledgehammer. Coming down like a man, shit was MC Hammer. And I'm gonna keep it right, gonna keep it all tight, 'cause I got mean cheese tonight. Yeah, I'm coming back for the beast, I gotta catch it. And my beats, man, you can never match it. Coming down like I'm hailing a taxi. I rip off rhymes, but I'ma get a maxi like LA Ice. You wanna rap with me, you better do it nice, 'cause the beat's so fresh and the rhymes are tighter. If you wanna see, you better get lighter.
Glider, you're a writer, don't give a fuck now, I'm a spit more tighter, 'cause he can't do it, he can't knock the cheese. He's like, oh my god, Tat, begging on his knees. He's like, please yo, put me onto the shoulder. Don't give a fuck, he tries to cry on my shoulder. I said, no, get the fuck back. He's like, oh my god, yo, I love this track. Yo, let's bring it down to the 60s. Don't give a fuck, 'cause I'm yakking on shifty. Yo, about to bust it down, yeah, quickly. Don't give a damn, yo, Victor, say quickly.
It's my turn now, so you best retire. Everything you want is my own desire. I'm the only one and one bitch style. Came through here like the empire. You wanna be like a hip-hop beat, but I get this shit and I move my fit. I'm like picking up phone with the competition, but I'm down this shit, man, just like please. 1, 2, here we go again. Got the beats going all insane, but I'm gonna keep my state of mind frame and use this mind. Every time I spit this shit, the bitches come and they suck my dick, bitches suck my dick, bitches suck my dick.
Suck my dick if you ever want to taste it. That's right, bitch, put it in your pocket, don't waste it. If you want to give it back, I'll throw it in your face. That's right, bitch, eyes like mace. Open your eyes if you want to fantasize. Can't you see my beats are total mesmerized? And my shit's ammo total capsized. If you bolt on then you're gonna capsize. Can't you swim, better bring a fucking paddle. Hit you with the shit, now I'm coming on a ladder. Come and dance here like another battle. If you want to step to me, you're like cattle. Slaughter you and off with your head. Drain your blood and it's kinda red. But I think it's kinda blue, 'cause I'm coming right through. 'Cause my raps are ill shit, better than you. No, I'm not, man, I don't want to battle. This is a competition, man.
1, 2, this guy likes to eat poo.
Eat poo.
Yo,
This is just jazzy shit.
Yo, check it. Yo,
Tries to be Australian like a kangaroo, but he just eats poo.
Thank you for that, Wayne. That was kind of dope. Now I'm gonna treat you just like a joke. You're like, oh my god, kangaroo to the poo. He's like, I wanna taste the ball of the loo. He's like, oh my god, I need to drink some water. That's right, I slaughter. Don't give a fuck now. I order you to your place. You're like, oh my god, Tack. It's a magnificent race. Check it now, I'm beaten. Don't give a fuck. Your wife is cheating. Check it. So you best to get back home. He's like, oh my god, I'm in that zone. I don't give a damn now with the microphone. Put it down, Victor. You're singing all alone.
You talk so much shit, I'll piss on your face. Hey, look at you now, man. Your mom says he's a disgrace. I'll piss on that race. What the fuck now? Piss on your face. Repeat that shit 3 times. Come through nursery rhyme. Spin your back at and spin it back. Come through here, spin another track. Yo, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 to 3. Now you're up. Now let's talk about that chimpanzee.
9 is the last if you're gonna count to 10, but I'll count more. Count to 100 before you ever saw one shit coming out of your mouth. I can rap too slightly, yeah, no, I'll do that shit nightly. You wanna fight me? You better bite, see? You're just another YG to me. It don't matter what about your race. I'm like Victor, man, I'll piss on your face. And then I'll keep my back on them. And then I'll go down and dip on them. But that's alright, man, I'll also take a hit. And on your face, man, you're copping that shit. Devil's clay, man, from the roof. And I'll throw it down on you when you're getting through.
Oh! Let me freestyle battles of the Bro Beach Waters Pad. Yeah!